Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to send fake snaps on Snapchat. So let's get into it. So to send fake snaps on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat application. After opening your Snapchat application, now if you want to post a video or a photo, you just can go to your camera roll and then select a photo or a video that you would like, and if you'll send to your friend now. And now if you send this photo to your friend, like I have sent to her, just tap on send and then tap on send to, which is on the bottom right. Now if you go back and open the person's chat which you have recently sent the video or a photo, you can see it has not received as a snap, but it has received as a message. So over here, if you want to send it as a snap, what you have to do is you have to come back to your home screen and open up your Play Store application. And after opening your Play Store application, you have to search for OVF Editor. Here you can find the first app, OVF Editor. You just have to install this application. And after installing this application, now you have to tap on Open. Now what you have to do is, now you have to select a photo or a video that you would like to send to your friend as a snap. So now what you have to do is just tap on Photo and Video, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then select an image or a video. So I would like to select an image. So now you have to select the image that you would like to send. So after selecting this image, now if you want, you can edit this image, and after editing this image, just tap on the green color tick which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after doing that, now a message will pop up which says, would you like to share the media with the Snapchat app? Just tap on share. And after tapping on share, it will directly take you to your camera roll. And now what you have to do is just tap on send, which is on the bottom right, and then select the person that you would like to send. And after selecting a person, just tap on the blue colored arrow which is on the bottom of your screen. And now if you go and open the person's chat which you have recently sent that message to, here you can see it has received as delivered. So now if that person taps on this delivered option, he will receive the message as a snap. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.